In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your keyboard not working on your Asus laptop. So whether your keyboard's just not working in general or it's working intermittently, then I'm going to show you exactly how we can solve all of these keyboard issues. So the first thing we're going to do is perform a hard reset of our Asus laptop. Now you can do this nice and easily just by shutting down your laptop, and then you need to unplug any of the charging cables that are currently running to your computer. Once your computer's turned off and all of your cables are disconnected, then what we're going to do is hold down this power button for around about 30 to 45 seconds. Now once you have held this button down for 30 to 45 seconds, we can then power back on our laptop, and you can check to see if your keyboard's working after this hard reset. Now if it's still not working, then what you'll need to do is right click on the Windows icon on your computer, click on Settings. From the left hand navigation, select Accessibility, scroll all the way down to Keyboard and click on this. And then right at the top where it says Sticky Keys, you want to make sure this feature is turned off and disabled. You also want to do the same for filter keys as well, make sure it's turned off and disabled. And once you have turned off both of these features, you can then check to see if that's now solved your issue. Now if that's not working, the next solution is to right click again on your Windows Start menu, select Device Manager, and then from this window we need to expand the drop down next to keyboards. Now in this list you'll see all of your different keyboard devices. So what you simply need to do here is right click on each of the device, click on Update Driver, and then press Search Automatically for drivers, and you basically need to do that for each one of your keyboard devices in this list. Now once you've gone through all of these, once again check to see if that solved your issue. If it's still not working, then we're going to right click again on the keyboard device, select Uninstall Device, and then confirm by pressing Uninstall. Now once again, you'll need to do this with all of your devices underneath keyboards. Make sure you've uninstalled all of them. And once all of these have been uninstalled, we're then going to restart our computer by clicking the Start menu and then just go in and selecting Restart. Once your computer has restarted, that should have now solved any keyboard issues you were having. And it's really as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments and I'll see you in the next one.